Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson. This is me when I went to visit my grandma and papa for Easter. They have 6 chickens and the chickens lay eggs every day, so I'm grabbing the eggs to make breakfast. My grandparents gave me a lot of eggs to take home. Since I'm a Florida boy, I decided to show you guys how to make a real Florida key lime pie using real key limes and fresh eggs from my grandparents' farm. I'm also showing you guys how to make the pie crust from scratch, so let's go! You can use a spring-form pan or a pie dish. The ingredients for the graham cracker crust will be half teaspoon of cinnamon, 10 graham crackers, 1 stick of melted butter, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Either squeeze real key limes or use half a cup of Florida Key West key lime juice. Don't use the bigger green Persian limes that you find in the grocery store. You need a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and 4 egg yolks. We're using the recipe on the side of the key lime bottle. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We are starting with the graham cracker crust. Take the graham crackers and blend them in a food processor or a blender. Blend until the graham crackers turn into crumbs. Put the graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, cinnamon, both sugars, and salt into a bowl and mix well. Pour the graham cracker mixture into your pie dish. Spread and press the mixture using your hands into the dish. Then use a ramekin, back of a glass, or the back of a measuring cup to pack the crumbs into the dish. Now on to the key lime filling. I'm separating the yolk from the egg whites because we only need the egg yolks. I'm doing it the hard way, but if you have an egg separator, you can use that. Add the egg yolks to a bowl. Add the key lime juice and the sweetened condensed milk. Then blend well. Once blended, pour the mixture into the pie dish. Now put the pie into the oven. I'm setting the timer for 5 minutes. Depending on your oven, it takes anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes for the custard to set. When you take the pie out of the oven, let it cool on a baking rack for at least 20 minutes. Then refrigerate it for at least 90 minutes before serving. Well, here we have it, the authentic Florida key lime pie. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.